Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.
I'm in Cefalu again. Supposed to go on a boat trip. We're not sure if it's happening because it's rough waters today. But we're here. We're gonna make it a great day. Let's have some fun no matter what we're doing. Let's go!
I'm good.
There he is. Brother. Ciao tutti. Changing plans. We're going to a water park here in Cefalu, Sicily. Waters are too rough. Couldn't make it on the boat. Are you happy?
Yeah!
So let's see how this day goes. It's gonna be a good day. We're gonna have fun, and that's the bottom line.
That's the bottom line, because Stone Cold said so.
All right, so we did a couple of rides here at the water park. We're enjoying ourselves. It's nice temperatures, not too hot, right?
No.
It's perfect. Tried the wave pool yet, but I did, and it was really cool. And there's a lot of people, but it's not too bad because, like I said, it's not August, so August will be a lot of people. But yeah, that's the wave pool. A whole bunch of rides. Now we're gonna go to the kiddie part, right?
Yeah!
All right. You don't have to scream. I'm right here. Me and Liam did this before, Aiden. It goes super fast. I beat Liam before. I beat Liam. Look at that. Oh, he's gonna get stuck. There you go. I got you, bro. Go. That's it, bro. You sprayed me. Everyone's squirting. Take one. That's it. Go. Oh, ma che fa? Scusa. Adesso hai rifare questo. Give 5. That's it. There you go. Ciao.
Hey, okay.
He's leaving already. All right. So, you know the name of this ride?
The yellow one is called Space Pool.
Let me see. This is the yellow one right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Space Pool.
Yeah.
The green one is Vortex.
Okay.
And the blue one, I don't know.
All right. Also, public service announcement. You need to bring a bathing cap here, right?
Yeah.
Or bandana. If you're wearing bandana, you're fine. So you can bring one, or you can buy one here. It's like $3 or $4. Or you just bring this from home and you're all set. So public service announcement here, right? Good. The nicest view of a water park I've ever seen. Yeah. You guys tired? Went up the stairs 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Yay! Oh yes! Oh, it's dark. Oh, it's dark. Oh yeah. Oh Jesus! Wow, I'm in one hand. I'm in one hand. Where are we going now? Oh, backwards? You didn't tell me that. Oh Jesus! Oh, there you are. I'm getting my bum. Oh my, he's laughing at me, guys. I'm backwards. What the hell? Here, look at me. What? Wow, this is good. Well, that was fun. Wow, I can't believe I went backwards, dude. I have no idea where I was going. Did you like it?
Timer, yeah.
I'm a first timer. Hey, first timer went backwards, man. Yeah. Here's a famous wave pool. There's more waves today in Cefalu than here. The families love it. They love it. Yeah, go.
The next ride we are going is this ride. It is called Motor Beach.
Multipista, that means a lot of lanes. So we'll see who's gonna go in the water first. Mr. Liam or Mr. Beast? Dude, that was fun, man. So I just went straight down. I'm surprised Audrey's not there. Carla Maria, this is for you. La música español. La bachata. Are we in Miami? Are we in Sicilia? Only your mom could dance by herself. Hey, only your mom could dance by herself.
This looks just amazing.
Wow, look at this beautiful
A burger
burger.
in Italian, chicken nuggets in Italian makes 0 cents.
So there's a full bar here. She's making an Aperol Spritz. And I'm having a Moretti on draft on Spina, because of course I love Spina, so it's perfect. There you go. Bartender here. Come ti chiama? Giorgia. It's not a real Italian name. Non è un nome italiano, eh? Un poco americano, un poco. Look at that. Questa è mia sorella. Lei ci piace. Lei di Miami. Allora, là, tutto spritz. Beautiful. Official, we're going on the craziest ride here. You can do it. Audrey, his mom didn't do it, my sister didn't do it, but we're doing it, right?
Yep.
We're coming in hot, guys.
Bye bye.
Yeah! Holy crap! Whoa! Dude, what the hell was that? Oh my god! I was really... You're sitting, my butt, you're... Whoa. Let's go!
Let's go! I won, baby! Let's go! Yeah!
Last ride of the day. Good time. Having fun. Good times, guys. Good times. God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, don't forget to like and subscribe to High Five Travel 3 out. Peace!
Take off your shirt. Your dirty shirt now. Take off your shirt. It's hot here. Take off your shirt. Let's go.
Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.